Today, you'll test your Spanish with 50 of the most common body parts. Try to guess each answer before it's revealed, and see how many you can get right. Comment your final score. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes, and let's begin. How do you say head? Cabeza. How do you say face? Cara. How do you say eye? Ojo. How do you say nose? Nariz. How do you say ear? Oreja. How do you say mouth? Boca. How do you say hair? Cabello. How do you say neck? Cuello. How do you say shoulder? Hombro. How do you say arm? Brazo. How do you say hand? Mano. How do you say finger? Dedo. How do you say thumb? Pulgar. How do you say leg? Pierna. How do you say foot? Pie. How do you say toe? Dedo del pie. How do you say back? Espalda. How do you say chest? Pecho. How do you say heart? Corazón. How do you say brain? Cerebro. How do you say stomach? Estómago. How do you say tooth? Diente. How do you say teeth? Dientes. How do you say tongue? Lengua. How do you say lip? Labio. How do you say knee? Rodilla. How do you say elbow? Codo. How do you say wrist? Muñeca. How do you say skin? Piel. How do you say bone? Hueso. How do you say muscle? Músculo. How do you say blood? Sangre. How do you say eye? Ojo. How do you say nose? Nariz. How do you say ear? Oreja. How do you say chin? Barbilla. How do you say cheek? Mejilla. How do you say forehead? Frente. How do you say beard? Barba. How do you say mustache? Bigote. How do you say hip? Cadera. How do you say belly? Vientre. How do you say heel? Talon. How do you say ankle? Tobillo. How do you say lung? Pulmon. How do you say liver? Hígado. How do you say kidney? Riñón. How do you say body? Cuerpo. How do you say nail? Uña. How do you say shoulder? Hombro.